Alex, so we've got two decimals here, decimal values here. We're going to try to add them, and there's a bit of an issue with one of them, so show us what your strategy is here.
Okay, so what I do is I see right away that it's tenths, hundredths, and tenths, hundredths, thousandths.
Right.
So I'd add a 0 here because it really doesn't matter after the last number in decimals.
Right.
So now we can just add it like regular. So 0,
Okay.
2, 2 plus 0, 2, 1 plus 1, 2, decimal, 3 plus 1, it was 4.
Okay.
The reason I put the 0 there is because some kids get messed up because of the 2 there and 3 here. So
right, nothing behind it.
Yeah, so that's just for place value.
Right. And
now,
do we normally go 3 decimal places?
No. Normally in regular life we only go 2 decimal places.
So what are you gonna
so
do?
what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna round the tenths, or I'm gonna round the thousandths. So
right.
Thousandths, hundredths, tenths.
Mm-hmm.
So here, 2 is less than 5. So I'm going to. So that means it just goes to 0. Equals 0. So in order for that, I would just cross that off and circle that, and that's my answer.
Okay, a little different here, Alex. Now we're going to subtract decimals, and we have another sort of missing value there. So what are you going to do with this?
So again, like I said before, it's just place value. I'm going to put I'm going to put a 0 there just to make the place values even.
Okay.
Now it just works like a regular subtraction question. Now 0 minus 2, you can't do that, so I'd cross that off and add a 1 to the 0,
yes.
just to make it like and make that a 5. So that's adding a place value to this and taking 1 away from there.
Yep.
So 10 minus 2 is 8. 5 minus 5 is 0, decimal, and 3 minus 1 is 2.
Okay.
And
it's important to keep the decimal in the right spot, right?
Yes, very important.
Kids tend to move the decimal around.
Mm-hmm.
There's no need to, right?
Yep. Now, in this, you do not need to round it off because it already has 2 decimal places, and that's what we use in most common in regular life. So that is your answer.